G'day, welcome to another episode of Times Like These. Currently on my way to the old tool shop. Had a bit of a misdemeanor on the vacuum cleaner. Packed it in, making kind of noises and not too good. So off to go get one of those. And on top of that, pressure washer. She's lost a bit of power and a bit old in the tooth. I think I've had it about 5 years. So I'm going to get one of those as well.
So why not? $400 off. 61 litres. That's a hell of a lot of sand. So probably is 61 litres of sand in there. So first up, floors. Makes it waterproof, so conditions it. Here we go. Oh, look at that.